day there viewers, my name is Cliff and welcome to my channel called Vintage Time. In today's episode I'll be cutting a gem that comes from Tanzania. It's called Tanzanite, and I've dropped in a few photos of the specimen that I bought. Now I've never cut this gem before, so I was surprised to read that it has a hardness of 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale, and this specimen is trichroic, which means that it appears to be different colours from 3 different directions. So let's get on to cutting this gem called Tanzanite. So being the first time that I've cut Tanzanite, I'm cutting a very simple baguette design. I'll drop in a diagram to show you what the design looks like. So far I've just cut the 2 main facets to a centre point. Incidentally, this piece of Tanzanite has not been heat treated, so if I heat treated it, it would get darker, but I actually like the natural colour of the stone. In the previous scene you see me polishing the Tanzanite on a perspex disc using cerium oxide, and this is the first time I've polished Tanzanite, and from an experimental point of view I think the cerium oxide on the perspex has done a wonderful job. In point of fact, it is as good as any polish that I've done on any other stone, if not better in some cases. So I've completed polishing the table, and in the following scenes you'll see the rest of the crown facets polished also. So we're getting closer to the end of this video and closer to me signing off with the narration, but stand by because we have the final reveal where you see the Tanzanite in its complete glory on the rotator. Now I'd just like to say quickly, it's been an absolute pleasure cutting Tanzanite, being my first attempt. I know the design is simple, but with simple design sometimes less is more, and I know I've always enjoyed cutting this design, and I think it really embellishes the stone. Also, I'm proud of the fact I've done some really close macro shots, so if you're a new cutter, have a look at the close meet points, which is really important. I've also polished the girdle, that's a really important factor. So till next time, take care everybody, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon. It's bye for now, see you later.